Right, so guys, I don't know how much memory I've got on this phone, so if it cuts out I do apologise, but I just found another Explorer. I'm not bringing out my big camera to do it. So I'm currently recording on my iPhone. Just found another Explorer. Smoke alarm. What the fuck? Wait, what's down here?
Smart me, I feel.
Don't know what's through here.
What?
When returning from outside, please make sure the door is closed. Why is it falling apart then? Wait, look. Shutters are down, but the door's open. Go upstairs.
This is freshly abandoned. This.
Fresh abandoned. But careful, because I think some of the things are caving in. Some of the floor is caving in. Yo.
No. Yeah, this is freshly abandoned. Look at that.
Goes up again.
Yeah, and get used to what's that. Do not mistake.
Danger staircase.
So, which staircase?
It goes down to that second shop there.
It goes up and down.
Shit. Careful where you stand when you get to the top. Fuck me. I am. Fresh.
Wow. An attic room, mate. What the fuck?
This is weird, man.
I wouldn't be able to fit in there.
I'm not going in there, mate. Come on, go for it.
No, this is Lulu, guys. Please turn off your mobile phones.
Bro. What if we've just stumbled across one of them fucking training camps for...
Oh, don't be saying that.
What's in there? Tell me.
Nothing.
No smoking, no...
But there is some stairs going down. Downstairs was going down.
Yeah, but that was for the other shop. It goes down to the other store. I don't trust them other stairs, mate.
No. Can't do.
Mind your head, low ceiling. This is the second floor of the other side, which we came up to. Did we walk around that side?
No.
Me. Access prohibited to all staff. So no staff was allowed in there. Links employment. Nothing here, bro. Bro, there's nothing here, don't worry about it. Mate, if the owners come and open the fucking shutters,
Yeah.
we'd hear that fucker. We've been in there. Hey, that's mad.
Mate,
What? Hmm?
stick down them lower stairs.
Go on then, I think it just leads to that other shop.
Time here, man, I'll leave the building. It's like these was flats, right?
Above a shop.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's that door we noticed. I don't think we can get through there now. Oh yeah, shiny torch. Can't see. But I'm stepping. Thank you.
That's mad.
Straight into shops, bro. What's down there?
So,
Blah blah.
you can go down first this time.
You took torch.
Whoa, I thought that was something else then.
So did I. The electrics have been cut off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All paperwork down there, look.
Not all of the electrics. Racial harassment, don't put up with it. It's a job link place.
Hmm?
It's a job link place. CVs. It's like a job link.
Oh, yeah.
Linking people with employment. Total number of people into employment this year. Well, obviously nothing. Total number of people who into jobs this month, 7. So that was quite good.
I thought that was something else.
I thought that was a body bag, mate.
Yeah.
I shit myself.
Yeah, same.
There's another seller in the other side. Do you want to have a look at that?
Yeah. We'll go to that one. Next door.
Yeah, let's go have a look at the other side then, guys. Yeah, it's that one.
Ooh, it's dark. Darker than the other one.
I mean to go first again.
Yeah, you can go first, mate. No.
Sticky.
Hmm.
Let's go have a look down the cellar, mate. You was just taking a look at the interest of the electrics.
Yeah. Where's somewhere electric? I've never seen that one. Wow. Fucking hell, the Christmas tree in here. Uber. What?
That's weird, isn't it?
Shiny light. Shiny light over there. Ah.
I mean, but they're weird. Gas has been ripped off the wall, mate. I don't think this is safe to be in. I don't think it's safe to stay in here much longer.
Nah.
Jeez.
That's what that smell is there.
Yeah. A very weird smell. This is what it was particularly interested in, guys. What that meant.
Alright, mate, come in. Come in.
Close it before someone sees you.
We can't get out! Literally.
Damn. The lock's broke off it. Shutters are shut down.
The lot is an experienced cook.
This is mad.
That's it then. We'll go to that other one, mate.
Fire procedure. Crazy. Absolutely crazy, guys. What mental shit we find and find out.
What do you have?
Obviously, we're leaving now. But that is crazy. That is flipping nuts.
Yeah, there's still that though. There's still doors here. There's doors there.
Authorised persons only. That's it.
Doors here.
That's it? No. Yeah, guys, literally just stumbled across this from last week's Explore with Josh in the Swingers Club.
Right next to it.
Right next door. So I got 2 weeks worth of videos straight away. Can we make it a third? Because I don't know what that building is right there. Let's go have a look.